If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know my spliff them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice, you don't know, say KOGENCY. But the KOGENCY Rocks channel. And today, we have Broadday with Kickback exclusive. Bro, I can't believe people really out there not rating honorably. I don't see how they can not rate honorably. But anyway, that's besides the point. We have Kickback today. You don't know Broadday is sick already. Well, I think Broadday is sick. And majority of people over here also think Broadday is sick. So, yo, let's jump into it, man. I don't want to waste any more time. Well, not like I wasted a lot of time. But I heard this beat. Like, cause I always play like 5 seconds of things that I'm going to react to. And this beat is sounding disgusting. You understand? So, yo, let's jump into it. Make sure you eat your fruits. It's a tangerine. And yeah, hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. And let's go. You hear this?
DT5 DT5.
Aye.
I ain't got time for a hooker. School just put a whole brick on a cooker. That's bro, that's a well-known jugger. Broadday stays in the tea like sugar. I went Joe, came home, went back in. You know I'm home when the corn starts banging.
Yes,
I was chasing
yes, we do know you're home when the corn starts banging.
in the tea like sugar. I went Joe, came home, went back in. You know I'm home when the corn starts banging.
Bow.
I was chasing ups on the landing. I get down youths and I can't stop bragging. 3-2.
Maybe you need to stop bragging, bro. What's wrong with this guy? Start it over. What do you mean you can't stop bragging? Stop bragging. That's how niggas get bagged.
I ain't got time for a hooker. School just put a whole brick on a cooker. That's bro, that's a well-known jugger. Broadday stays in the tea like sugar. I went Joe, came home, went back in.
Wait, what you say?
That's bro, that's a well-known jugger. Broadday stays in the tea like sugar.
Something about days in the tea like sugar. Tea like sugar. The tea where you drink sugar. Alright, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying, dog. You know what I'm saying? One of my favorite rappers. I ain't gonna say too much.
School just put a whole brick on a cooker. That's bro, that's a well-known
jugger.
jugger. Broadday stays in the tea like sugar. I went Joe, came home, went back in. You know I'm home when the hooker's
banging.
I was chasing ups on
I land in, I get down ups and I can't stop bragging.
Stop. Come small like absa, pump come big like 60. They slap corn but miss me, I know they're wishing it hit me. Talk on my dead boys, I get round quickly. Jump on the up, but I got there late. Valley and gloves, I ain't doing it bait. Used to be dingers, now we want raves. HMP need to free my mates.
Used to be thingers, now we want raves. We want raves? Oh my god, when last I listened to We Want Rave song, dog? I don't know, I need to do one, but what? Used to be thingers, now we want raves. I believe you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look at that watch on his hand. That's probably a rave right there.
And I can't stop bragging. 3-2 come small like absa, pump come big like 60.
He said, come, what?
I landing, I get down youths and I can't stop bragging. 3-2 come small like absa, pump
3-2 come small like Absam.
come big like 60.
And go come big like 60, bro. But hey, don't think our Absam small, then man won't. Hey, listen.
I landing, I get down youths and I can't stop bragging.
3-2 come small like Absam.
Pump come big like 60. They slap corn but miss me, I know they're wishing it hit me. Talk on my dead boys, I get round quickly. Jump on the up, but I got there late. Valley and gloves, I ain't doing it bait. Used to be dingers, now we want raves. HMP need to free my mates. 4-4's got a lethal kickback. I'll firm that kickback. Since little man come short, he ain't been back. Your refs now say take some tic tac. Who's that? What's that? Spin that. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride, no chit chat. Flip spin this super one, slap this corn. If you get hit, there's no respawn. The AG, my loyalty sworn. It's mandatory, the dots get sworn. I'm a brother's keeper.
I was going to say same too, but my loyalty isn't sworn road wise, but music wise, yeah, my loyalty is there, man.
Some tic tac. Who's that? What's that? Spin that. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride, no chit chat. Flip spin this super one, slap this corn. If you get hit, there's no respawn. The AG, my loyalty sworn. It's mandatory, the dots get sworn. I'm a brother's keeper. Licked the HP and gave Greasy a Nino. I don't like Becky, I fuck with Keisha. She hold my beat off. I wrote the plug cause you try extort me. If you want 10-10, make sure you call me. I left my 40 with the next man short. I had to move it cause her boyfriend caught me. Hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I'm ready to
Wait, her boyfriend caught you?
my 40 with the next man short. I had to move it cause her boyfriend caught me.
Oh my god. Hey, listen, but Bro, if I have a girl, bro, and she's holding something for Broadday, fam, hey, babes, do your thing, fam, who's gonna tell you to stop? Not me, nigga, shit.
If you want 10-10, make sure you call me. I left my 40 with the next man short. I had to move it cause my boyfriend caught me. Hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I'm ready to jump on schools, gave me a call. Said,
hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I believe you, bro. I don't even think you went to school at that point, dog. I feel like after 14 months said fuck school.
To move it cause my boyfriend caught me. Hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I'm ready to jump on schools, gave me a call. Said go serve Nicky's, waiting at pools. Hella cats in the alley, I'm serving them all. 4-4's got a lethal kickback. I'll firm that kick.
Wait, what do you say at the end there?
Hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I'm ready to jump on schools, gave me a call. Said go serve Nicky's, waiting at pools. Hella cats in the alley, I'm serving them all.
I said don't serve Nicky, the cats in the alley, I'm serving them all of them.
On schools gave me a call. Said go serve Nicky's, waiting at pools. Hella cats in the alley, I'm serving them
all.
4-4's got a lethal kickback. I'll firm that
kickback.
Since little man come short, he ain't been back. Your refs now say take some tic tac. Who's that? What's that? Spin that. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride no chit chat. 4-4's got a lethal kickback. I'll firm that kickback.
No, I can't just let it finish like this, bro. Let me pull up this verse, please.
My brother's keeper. Lick to H. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride no chit chat. Spin this whip, I want slap this corn. If you get hit, there's no respawn. The AG, my loyalty's torn. It's mandatory, the dots get sore. I'm my brother's keeper. Lick to HB and gave Greasy a Nino. I don't like Becky, I fuck with Keisha. Cause she hold my beat up. I rode the plug cause you try extort me. If you want 10-10, make sure you call me. I left my 40 with the next man short. I had to move it cause my boyfriend caught me. Hit the trap house when I'm done with school. I'm ready to jump on schools, gave me a call. Said go serve Nicky's, waiting at pools. Hella cats in the alley, I'm serving them all. 4-4's got a lethal kickback.
I'll firm that kickback.
Since little man come short, he ain't been back. Your refs now say take some tic tac. Who's that? What's that? Spin that. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride no chit chat. 4-4's got a lethal kickback. I'll firm that kickback. Since little man come short, he ain't been back. Your refs now say take some tic tac. Who's that? What's that? Spin that. Man, duck that down and dip that. Cut back the fours and rip that. Bro told me to ride no chit chat. Fresh home.
Aye.
New music on the way. No time to play.
No time to play.
Raise up or get shaved up.
Aye.
Gang.
Anyway. Aye. Fuck off, man. Can I listen to this verse, bro? It's my channel. I can do whatever I want.
School just put a whole brick on a
Cooker, yes. Let me just listen to the first verse, dog, and then we can talk about it after. I ain't got time for a hookah.
Just put a whole
brick on a cooker.
That's bro, that's a one-known
jugger.
Broadday stays in the
Tea like sugar.
I went Joe, came home, went back in,
you
and
know
now I'm home
when the coast starts banging, yes.
I was chasing up
On the landing, I get down neeks and I can't stop bragging. Stop.
3-2 come small like abs,
Sam.
pump come big like
60.
They slap corn but miss me, I know they wishing it hit
me.
Talk on my dead boys, I get round
Quickly.
Went from the up, but I got there late. Valley and gloves, I ain't doing it bait. Used to be dingers, now we want rapes. HMP need to free my mates. 4-4's got a lethal kickback.
What is the way, dog? Let me tell you. I don't, maybe certain people, they analyze music differently, but because me, I know what it takes to make music. And then when I hear certain things in music, dog, there's like, I can't explain it. There's certain ways how people construct them bars and the flows and everything where it's just, I don't know, bro, but Broadday unique with it, dog. So maybe people just don't see it how I see it. I don't know, man. But like Broadday is probably him almost passing out Sus right now. I ain't even gonna lie to you. And I'm saying not like Sus been lacking or anything, but since Broadday's been out, I haven't heard anything that I don't like so far. You understand? But yo, this was really good. You understand? Really, really good. Yeah, fuck the ratings thing, man. This song is amazing. Check it out in the description. Check out all my other links in the description. Hit that like button or dislike button. Jump in the comments, reply to all the comments. KOGENCY, KOGENCY tracks. Channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Yes. Yeah. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get roll